Have you heard about the child tax credit that you may receive starting in July? In this video, I'm going to cover what the credit is, how you can qualify, and if there's any way to opt out of the monthly payments. Drop a comment below or hit that like button if you're anticipating receiving the credit. Welcome back to my channel, Mystery Money. If this is your first time here, my name is Nick, and on this channel I tackle all sorts of topics that surround money. If you're returning, I want to thank you again for checking out another video. The American Rescue Plan that was passed in March of 2021 allowed for an expansion of the child tax credit. Before the enactment of this new law, gave a $2,000 per child per year credit towards your taxes at the end of the year. This is for kids from age 0 all the way to age 17. The changes to this tax credit, this will allow many families to receive an advance payment starting this summer. The American Rescue Plan of 2021 only expands the child tax credit for the 2021 year. There are additional bills that would like to extend this program beyond the 2021 tax year, but for right now, it's strictly for this year. For the 2021 year, families that are claiming this credit will receive up to $3,000 per qualifying child. Qualifying children for this section will be between the ages of 6 and 17, and it will be effective as of the end of 2021. Families that have a child under the age of 6 will qualify for a $3,600 credit at the end of the year. Like any other program, as your income goes up, the amount you're going to receive reduces. Incomes over $150,000 for married taxpayers, which file a joint return, and qualifying widows or widowers. $112,500 for heads of household, and $75,000 for all other single taxpayers. These advance payments for the tax credit will be paid from July through December, and these are going to be to all eligible taxpayers who have a main home in the United States. You must have resided in the United States for more than 1/2 of a year in order to collect this credit. The total of the advance payments will be up to 50% of the total child tax credit that you're eligible to receive. To give you a real-world example, if you have 2 children, let's say one is 8 or will be 8 by the end of the year, and the other is 6 or will be 6 by the end of the year. Child number 1, or the 8-year-old, would earn you $3,000 in a credit. Child number 2 would earn you $3,600 in a credit. Combined, you would get a total of $3,600. If you divide that by 2, or 50%, that would give you an advance amount of $3,300 over the 6 months. You would essentially receive a direct deposit if you electronically filed your tax returns of $550 beginning in July. Advance payments are going to be estimated from your 2020 tax returns, or possibly the 2019 returns if your 2020s are on extension. If you qualify for this deduction, make sure you file your 2020 tax returns as soon as possible. According to the IRS website, if you file electronically with direct deposit, that will also speed up the way the funds can get to you in the future. So what do you have to do to take advantage of this program? Nothing. Well, I should say you at least have to file your tax returns. That's the only way the IRS is going to know what you qualify for. If you don't want to take this deduction in advance, the IRS says there's going to be a way for you to basically decline this or opt out of it, but there isn't information out there telling you how you can do that. The IRS also states that you'll have the opportunity to update the number of kids or anything else like that, but they haven't decided or figured out how you're going to do that yet. So right now there's limited information on how they're going to update that information or how the payments are going to come. I'm guessing electronically if you file. If not, it's probably be checks, which, as we've seen from stimulus, takes a long time, so I would encourage you to file electronically. If I hear any updates on these programs, I will make sure to publish a video about it, so make sure you subscribe for any future information. So also a note on how this program may affect your taxes. This is a tax deduction. This goes directly off of your income and may affect your taxable income at the end of the year. If you usually receive a large refund, it may be smaller in 2021 than you're expecting. Make sure if you have any questions about the program, you talk to your accountant. They'll be able to determine what steps you need to take in order to maximize your refund. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you put them in the box below. And until next time, have a great day.